Welcome to aminacademy.com. In human anatomy and physiology, let us discuss about types of membranes. Epithelial membranes are thin sheets of tissues that cover or line body cavities. First type of membrane is epithelial membrane, or thin sheets of tissue that covers or line body cavities. They are made of epithelial tissues attached to connective tissues. Types of epithelial membranes: mucous membranes line body cavities that opens to the outside, such as the digestive tract. They contain glands and are attached to loose connective tissues. Serous membranes secrete fluid that reduces friction between moving organs. They are made of a single layer of simple squamous epithelial cells called mesothelium. Chitinous membranes make up the skin. The skin is a stratified squamous epithelial membranes that rests on top of connective tissues. Epithelial membrane components: basement membrane, an extracellular matrix that lines the basal side of epithelial tissues. It provides physical and biochemical cues to the overlying cells. Lamina propria, a thin layer of connective tissues that is located immediately beneath the epithelial layers. It contains blood vessels, lymphatic vessels, and mucus secreting cells. Epithelial cell types: simple squamous epithelium, the thinnest type of epithelium made of a single layer of flattened cells. Columnar epithelium, made of column-like cells that are taller than their wide. Next, mucous membranes. What are mucous membranes? Also known as mucosa, or moist lining that covers the inside of many organs and body cavities. They protect the body from pathogens, dirt, and dehydrations. What they do: protect, that is, mucous membrane protect, prevent pathogens and dirt from entering the body. Lubricate, protect organs and cavities from abrasive particles and bodily fluids. Absorb, play a role in digestion in the gastrointestinal tract. Support microorganisms, support a wide range of microorganisms and have unique antimicrobial properties. Where they are found: nose, mouth, lungs, stomach, digestive tract, respiratory tract, and reproductive tract. How to keep them healthy? Eat a wide variety of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Eat fewer processed fruits. Put down on caffeine and alcohol. Keep stress under control. Drink plenty of water. Maintain a healthy body weight. Exercise. Cut down on tobacco. Signs of unhealthy mucous membranes: dry mucous membranes can be sign of dehydration and can cause various health problems. For example, dry mucous membranes in the lining of nose can cause frequent bloody noses. Serous membranes are then smooth tissues that line closed body cavities and cover organs, secreting serous fluids to reduce friction between them. They consist of two layers: a parietal layers lining the cavity wall and visceral layers covering the organs. Here is more detailed explanation. Key functions of features and functions. Location: serous membranes line body cavities that do not open to the outside, such as the thoracic, abdominal, and pericardial cavities. Structure: they are composed of single layer of simple squamous epithelium, mesothelium, and then layer of connective tissues. Fluid secretion. Serous membranes secrete a thin, watery fluid called serous fluid, which lubricates the membrane surfaces and reduces friction between organs and the cavity walls. Two layers. Parietal layers lines the inner wall of the body cavity. Visceral layers covers the organs within the cavity. Specific names. Serous membranes have some specific names depending on their location. Peritoneum lines of the abdominal cavity and covers abdominal organs. Pleura lines the thoracic cavity and covers the lungs. Pericardium lines the pericardial cavity and covers the heart. Functions. The primary function of serous membranes is to reduce friction and protect organs from damage during movement. Some example: peritoneum. The parietal peritoneum lines and abdominal walls, while the visceral peritoneum covers the abdominal organs. Pleura. The parietal pleura lines the thoracic cavities and the visceral pleura covers the lungs. Pericardium. The parietal pericardium lines the pericardial cavity and visceral pericardium covers the heart. Next, synovial membrane. The synovial membrane is a thin layer of connective tissues that lines the inside of joints, bursae, and tendon sheaths. It's also known as the synovium. What does it do? Lubricates joints, helping them move smoothly, transports nutrients into the joints and remove waste products, helps maintain joint stability, provides a smooth, low friction lining. How it's structured? The synovial membrane has two layers: the intima, inner layer, and the subintima, outer layer. The intima is made up of one or two sheets of cells. The subintima is made up of 2 to 3 layers of cells. The subintima contains blood vessels that nourish the synovial membranes and cartilage. What happens when it's damaged? When synovial membranes or fluid is damaged or irritated, it swells up and thickens. This condition is called synovitis, which can cause pain and other symptoms. When when should I seek medical advices for this? If you are experiencing new joint pain or other symptoms like stiffness or trouble moving a joint, you should visit healthcare provider. So far we discussed about different types of membranes and its functions. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.